guys, welcome back to Milky and Sis. Today we're making pizza. So let's get started.
We're gonna prepare the dough.
2 tablespoons of fast rising yeast.
Tablespoon of sugar.
1.5 cup of warm water. Now mix.
Now mix and then let it bloom.
2 tablespoons of oil.
Salt as per your taste. And now mix.
Now we're adding all-purpose flour. Now mix.
Now mix for 4 to 8 minutes with your hands.
So the dough is all mixed up now. We're going to go ahead and add some oil so that the dough doesn't get dry. I'm just going to go spread it around and seal with the plastic wrap.
While the dough is resting, we're gonna make the sauce.
So for the sauce, we will need some tomatoes, a bell pepper, garlic, onion, and carrots. Now we're gonna go ahead and boil all the vegetables in the pressure cooker. We're gonna go ahead and add some salt as per your choice for flavoring, and we're going to let it boil for till it's tender on high to medium, in the middle of high and medium heat. It's done boiling. There we go. So it's very hot now, but if you want, you can go ahead and take the skin off to put the tomato out and the bell pepper if you want. So now we're gonna go ahead and put in the blender to blend. Make sure to take all the water out. After you transfer it to the blender, let it cool down for some time and then blend it. Now we have grinded all the boiled vegetables. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer it into another bowl. Now we're adding sugar.
We're adding salt as per your taste. Now we're adding red chili powder.
Look at how big it is! It's 3 times its original size. Let's go ahead and take the plastic wrap off. Voila! Ooh! So much dough. Mix it well. Put it into pieces. Before we make the pizza, let's preheat the oven. Preheat 375 Fahrenheit. Let's get making. We're making 3 different types of pizza. Vegetable pizza, cheese pizza, and
Pizza pops.
the toppings we're using are tomatoes, onions, black olives, bell pepper, and capsicum. Also using cheese. Let's add the cheese now. Let's add the toppings.
So now I'm gonna fold my pizza pops.
Adding some cheese on the top now. Now cheese pizza is also ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and bake everything. The oven is heated, so now let's go ahead and put it. The timer for 20 minutes, but you can bake it until the crust is nice and golden.
Yes, my pops are very good. They look so yummy.
Wow!
It looks so delicious.
It smells so good. Can't wait to eat it.
Me too.
And to taste. tastes so good.
Mm-hmm.